The province of Eastern Samar in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. The province of Eastern Samar has Borongan City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Visayas Island Group in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. It is composed of 1 city, 22 municipalities, and 597 barangays. It was founded on June 19, 1965, and the total land area is 4,617.16 kilometers squared or 1,782.70 square miles. North of the province of Eastern Samar is the province of Northern Samar. West is Samar Province. East lies the Philippine Sea, part of the vast Pacific Ocean, and south lies Leyte Gulf. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Eastern Samar in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. The municipality of Arteche with 20 barangays, the municipality of Balangiga with 13 barangays, the municipality of Balangkayan with 15 barangays, the city of Borongan as the provincial capital with 61 barangays, the municipality of Canavid with 28 barangays, the municipality of Dolores with 46 barangays, the municipality of General MacArthur with 30 barangays, and the municipality of Hiporlos with 18 barangays. We also have the municipality of Gian with 60 barangays, municipality of Hernani with 13 barangays, municipality of Hipapad with 13 barangays, municipality of Lawaan with 16 barangays, municipality of Llorente with 33 barangays, municipality of Maslog with 12 barangays, municipality of Maydolong with 20 barangays, and the municipality of Mercedes with 16 barangays. The municipality of Oras with 42 barangays, the municipality of Kinapondan with 25 barangays, the municipality of Salcedo with 41 barangays, the municipality of San Julian with 16 barangays, the municipality of San Policarpio with 17 barangays, the municipality of Sulat with 18 barangays, and the municipality of Taft with 24 barangays. And that is all about the city and municipalities comprising the province of Eastern Samar in Region 8 or Eastern Visayas region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.